Click to Advance Image Editor. Here click to Template Library. Select any of these templates. You can crop it. You can rotate it, you can resize it. You can adjust brightness, adjust contrast, adjust hue. You can apply gamma. Click to Frames. You can use any of these frames. Here you can add text. You can set its position. You can set font family, you can change text color. You can set opacity. You can select any type of shape and set it inside the template. You can add image. You can add any of these elements. You can select any type of these icons. You can generate QR code and add it inside the template. You can draw also. Click to Save and Download button. Select DPI, Image Quality, and File Format. Click to Download as Image button. Your image is downloaded. Thanks for watching the video.